Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please remember to take what resonates and do not manifest the energy of others. This is not your personal reading. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. If it will not happen directly to you, it could also be happen to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please use your own discernment. Okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading about love, money, career, business, and studies. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirit, show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful because you are, right? First, we have the Ten of Wells. This is a Virgo energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Virgo or an earth sign. Not necessary. This is related to your abundance. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is related to an inheritance. This is a windfall or lump sum of money. For some of you, this is related to your generational blessings that can be passed to the next generation. It could also be that somebody inherited you with this windfall or lump sum of money. Somebody from the past passed away and they inherited you with this windfall or lump sum of money. But there are people who tried to hold it in the past for whatever reason because they are feeling entitled to have it. I told you, this is also related to your gift, your divine gift. Your ancestors was passed this to you. It could also be that you are a person who has a psychic abilities and it will lead you to abundance. Others of you, this is your energy because you can create a great things to become a successful person. You are very abundance. Or you are dealing with a rich person and this person wants to give you everything. For some of you, it could also be that this is your early retirement. A loan application in the bank is being approved. Or you are going to win a lotto. Especially if you buy a lottery ticket. If you have no idea about the windfall or lump sum of money, this is not your energy. Okay? Or somebody here is feeling entitled to your legacy. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that this is in your family for some of you. Or this person wants to give you a home and wants to provide you everything. This person wants to have a longevity relationship with you. Or he wants to build a family with you. This could also be the past people who scam your money. There could be a money involved here and they're going to return your money. Take what's reason because everyone is different. Somebody could also be scam your money, stole your money. This could also be a charity. Somebody here is, experiencing a malversation of funds and they couldn't give it back to you because they are losing lots of money. This is also the same people who are using their money to destroy you out of jealousy and envy. Or somebody who needs your support. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Let me see. Your challenge here is the Four of Swords. Unfortunately, you are no longer talking to them. You give them a silent treatment. They doesn't want me to talk. There could be a significant meaning to your number 4, 40, 44. Please pay attention. 4 plus 4 is 8. A Cancer, a matured mother figure. A Leo, a Scorpio is involved here. Plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. A Pisces is involved here. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Or an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. An air sign and an earth sign is involved in this reading. Remember that. Could also be any other sign. I am referring where the cards come out in my reading. They couldn't believe, they couldn't imagine that you give them a silent treatment. You are done with this person or group of people. These are the same people who tried to hinder your work, your creativity, your career because of jealousy and envy. They want to give you, they want to silence you. Now they are in silent. For some of these people, guys, they are feeling overwhelmed. They are experiencing depression, anxiety for coming against you. You are no longer talking to them because you have learned your lesson. You are prioritizing the tranquility of your surroundings and your healing journey than to be with this person or group of people. Or this person wants to give you everything, or he wants to return the money they scam you and you can take a rest. Take what resonates. Or this person wants to give you a home, wants to invest with you, wants to give you everything you want because this person wants you to take a rest. Because you are working. You are always working and this person or group of people could also be scam your money or they steal your money. There could be a money involved. Huh? Take what resonates. Now they are feeling overwhelmed. For some of you guys, this is an advice from your spirit guides to take a rest if you are tired, pamper yourself, enjoy yourself, and be very thankful and grateful for the little things in your life. I told you, because you are already abundance. You look, when I say abundance, it's not related always with money. This could also be related to your energy, your divine gift. I told you. And this person or group of people wants to silence you, especially if this is related to the past situation. They doesn't want you to speak out. I told you. And this is your challenge. Take a rest. Continue your work, but do not forget to pamper yourself. Okay? Because you are already here in the energy of an abundance. Or this is related to your legacy. And somebody here wants to be a part of it. And they are feeling overwhelmed. Because they backstab you with the Four of Swords. These are the same people who wants to silence you. Trickery, lies, and manipulation. An air sign or an earth sign is involved here. They are now feeling overwhelmed and depressed. Because they couldn't be a part of your abundance. Your blessings. Your generational blessings. And this is your challenge as well because they want to talk with you. The problem is you are no longer entertaining them. That's why they are feeling overwhelmed and depressed. In the past, this is one of the wishes on you to silence you, that you become depressive. I told you, now they're the one who's experiencing this. That's why they wants to talk with you. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is the Magician. Virgo, Gemini is involved here. An air sign, an earth sign. I told you. Somebody is manifesting you in their lives. They wants to talk with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They are now feeling overwhelmed, depressed, and exhausted. I don't know what they have done on you. There could be a money involved here. The universe wants to tell you that there is power inside you. All you need to do is to take an action, to bring your dreams into a reality. You are a great manifester. To believe in yourself, to trust yourself, and the magic within you. Because if not, who else? I told you. For some of you guys, your advisor as well to release your fears. Could also be that you have fear that nobody will support you, nobody will, will patronize your business if you have, business. You are divinely guided and supported here. With the four elements, air, earth, fire, water. There is power within you. You are a hypnotist, a sorcerer, and a detective in astrology. You are powerful. And that's why there are people in the past who couldn't stand your aura because there is power inside you. For some of you, it could also be that you didn't know it, that you are powerful. If you have lots of skills, abilities, talents, knowledge, this is the right time for you to show your talents, your skills, your abilities. You are being recognized. For others of you, you already recognize. This person in the past perceived you as a weak person. Now they have seen your power. You are not a weak person. In fact, you are a great manifester. There is a power inside you. A Gemini and a Virgo, Aquarius, Taurus, Capricorn could also be involved in the situation. Be very careful because a magician could also be a trickery. Be very strategic and always listen to your intuition. They are feeling overwhelmed because of your strength. They couldn't match your strength. And that's why they doesn't know how to approach you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. The past situation here is the Lovers. A Gemini energy. This could also be your karmic twin flame. They become karmic because of jealousy and envy. I told you. A couple is involved here. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 220, 222. Please pay attention. The universe wants to tell you that you are on the alignment of your purpose. It could also be that this person now wants to tell you, Scorpio, we are family, past life family. We are here to support you. Listen to your intuition. I told you because a magician could also be a trickery. Or somebody is wearing a false mask. They are pretending that they are here to support you. A couple. It could also be that this is your ex-partner who betrayed you with another partner and they are not choosing you in the past. They chose the other person and this person betrayed them as well. Now they wants to talk with you. Or the power of three who are collaborating against you. Or he wants to engage you to third party, love triangle, and you said no. And that's why they are pissed. Could also that this relationship is over and somebody is pretending that they are still together, but there is no finality, no divorce. Take what resonates. They are still collaborating each other. The power of three, the power of two. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 43, 32, 42, 24, number 3, 30, 33. Let's pay attention. 31, 13. 13 is the 13th house of Scorpio, the death. Or you are no longer entertaining this person or group of people because you are done. The death is over. For some of these people, guys, they knew it's over and they want to have a fresh start with you. This could be your past life family who turns into karmic because of jealousy and envy. This could also be a couple who are coming against you, the power of three. Remember the corresponding number involved in this reading. There could be a money involved or they scam your money, they steal your money. This could also be related to your work. For some of you, you can perceive the negative energy. That's why you are no longer entertaining them. You give them a silent treatment. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that you are free of whatever you choose. Because at the end of the day, this is your own life and your own destiny. But in making an important decision in your life, especially related to love and partnership, you advise her to be true to yourself, to be honest, and to be strong. And don't forget that love is the greatest gift. Could also be that somebody has already married the time you met them. Somebody who could also be being tempted, either you or the person you are dealing with. That's why be very careful. There could be a temptation here. Let me see. Your current situation here is the Ace of Swords. This is again an air sign energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is your breakthrough, your break free, and your aha moment. I told you. You have a mental clarity. And this person, a group of people, also knew the truth. That's why somebody wants to talk with you or they wants to invest with you. This could also be a new signing of contract related to a new perspective, a new ideas, or a new project. Nevertheless, be very strategic. If this is a new contract, always read the terms and conditions. I told you, or this person wants to talk with you, they wants to tell you the truth. I told you. This could also be, a decision in the court. If you are on the right path, this is the truth. The truth will come out and it will liberate you. Or it's already come out because you stand with the truth. And that's why they are feeling overwhelmed. They are manifesting you in their lives to talk with them. Unfortunately for your past life family, they are involved here. It's because of jealousy and envy. They are coming against you. But the truth sets you free. The universe advises you to stand with the truth because no one can mislead you. Others of you, you did it because you realize that only the truth will set you free. Or this person wants to talk with you, they wants to tell you the truth about what they have done on you. The money scam, the trickery and manipulation. Take only what fits in your story. Well, go and tell the truth, whoever you are. Let me see. The future has the Knight of Cups. A Scorpio is involved here. Could also be any other sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This person wants to drink and dine with you. He wants to know you better. But this person will move slowly but surely. Or this person is a new person and wants to tell you that they are feeling inspired by you. They wants to support you. Nevertheless, listen to your intuition. Okay. Could also be that this person is a new person and they are really feeling inspired by you. That's why they wants to meet you. Could be during spring season. Take what resonates because everyone is different. But this is a slow moving night. This is not a risky night. Or they wants to tell you about their feelings. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. Your attitude here is the Ten of Swords. For you, this is over. You dropped the pain. You said goodbye. This is the closure. Or they wants to have closure with you. Closure of what? You already closed the painful cycle. I told you. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Normally, this is the energy of a Libra or a person has an authority. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could be. And the different signs involved in this reading. Water sign, air sign, and an earth sign. I told you. These are the same people who backstab you, who bad-mouthing you, who tarnish your reputation, who bully you, especially in the net, or who bully you in your workplace, who cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And I fully understand if you're no longer talking to them. You cut the ties up. You said goodbye to all the pain. You dropped the burdens. You are no longer in this painful situation because you cut off the ties. You're no longer talking to them. You don't care what happened with this person or group of people because in the past, they doesn't care as well of what they have done on you. They backstab you with a 10 of swords. These are also the backstabbers who created witchcraft, manipulation, and trickery. Now they are the one who's experiencing this. They are in pain because you are not in pain. I told you. They are overwhelmed, they are depressed. That's why they want to talk with you. Be very strategic. Take only what fits in your story. Number 10 is a closure. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 10, number 1, number 11. Please pay attention. October, January, and November is significant in this reading. March, February, January, or April is also significant in this reading. Or there could be a significant meaning for you with the different signs involved in this reading. Could be that they're going to approach you with this month mentioned in this reading. Number 10 is also significant. Capricorn, the 10th house. Or this person was born on the 10th of the month, or you are the one. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Let me see. The outside influencer is the 9 of Swords. I told you, they couldn't get you out of their mind. Their guilt eating them alive. This could also be a new person who couldn't get you out of their system. And they couldn't sleep, especially if these are the past people who involves you to mockery, black magic, trickery, manipulation. Again, an air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For some of you guys, this person or group of people perceive you as a worst nightmare because they come across into your life. Others of you, you don't know them. They don't know you as well. It's because of jealousy and envy. I told you. For some of you, this could be your neighbors, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I told you. Now, they doesn't know what to do. They couldn't get you out of their mind. I can't get you out of my head. The song of Kylie Minogue. And there could be a significant meaning for you with a number 9, 19, 90, 99, 91. Please pay attention. 94, 49, 93, 39, 92, 29. Could also be that this person now are hunted with what they have done on you in the past. I don't know because everyone is different. This is not your personal reading and I couldn't specify further. But they are now hunted with your image. For some of these people, they couldn't eat, they couldn't sleep. You are the worst nightmare and their guilt eating them alive. I told you. It could also be that they did this to you a minimum of 9 years, 10 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years. The corresponding number in this reading is also significant. Now, they couldn't sleep, they couldn't eat, they couldn't get you out of their mind. For some of these people, guys, they did this to you in your past life. Because some of these people is your past life family. They did this to you in your past life and it works. Now they tried to do. Of course, they did it to you again and it didn't work. That's why you are the worst nightmare of this person or group of people. I told you. But this is a release. You're no longer entertaining them. You look 10 of Swords and the 9 of Swords. They couldn't get you out of their mind. That's why they want to have closure. Closure of what? Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, let me see. Your hopes and fears is the 6 of Swords. You already moved on. But they couldn't let you go. They want to talk with you. That's why they couldn't get you out of their mind. Because you are no longer entertaining the pain in the past, the painful situation. I told you. They couldn't believe, they couldn't imagine that you are not in pain. With all the attacks. So long they did this to you. For some of these people, 10 years. 9 years, 3 years, 2 years, 4 years. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself, whoever you are. Or somebody has let you go. This could also be the hacker in the net, or that involves you to, I mean, to a person who has, an influential person, especially if you have platform in social media. And now they are being exposed. That's why they couldn't get you out of their mind. I told you. You are no longer entertaining them. Because the truth is her, the Ace of Swords, right? That truth had set you free. You already moved on. Six of Swords is the energy of an Aquarius. Aquarius is involved. There could be a significant meaning with the number 6, 60, 66, 69, 96, 16, 61, 62, 26, 63, 36, 64, 46. Please pay attention. The 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of Swords is 20, is also significant in this reading. Number 20, number 2, 22. Please pay attention. They want to talk with you. They are manifesting you in their lives. As I have said, be very strategic and always listen to your intuition. Somebody here wants to tell you, Scorpio, we are here to support you. Be very strategic, because not all people who will say they are going to support you, to love you, they really mean it. For some of these people, guys, they only wants to bluff you. Remember, the lovers is here. Could also be a person or two people who has a double face. Be very strategic. I never see all. Prevention is better than cure. Okay. June is significant in this reading. Virgo is involved here. April, Gemini is involved in the situation. Of course, because the lovers. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Star. You could be a star or a healer, or you are in the public eye, or you are dealing with this person, a group of people who are in the public eye. In the past, they tried to throw you under the bus because you are the treat of their spotlights. This could also be a normal person, an Aquarius, who doesn't want you to tap in with your spirituality if you are a healer, a light worker, or they doesn't want you to shine. They doesn't want you to be a successful person. Or this person is triggered with your aura because you are the one who carry the mirror of their poor unhealed souls. And that's why every time they see you, they are triggered. You could be a Heyoka empath and you trigger the emotion of this person or group of people. That's why even though you have nothing to do with them, as a Heyoka empath, you trigger the emotion of a low vibrational spirits people. This could also be the group of people in the public eye, or an Aquarius is involved here. Take what resonates because everyone is different. For some of you guys, I feel like your haters are being inspired by you and they are now enlightened. You could be the one who give them an inspiration or who enlighten them. But be very mindful, be very careful from the past people. I didn't see all. Your light is shining bright because as a healer, as an empath, you are predestined to shine. Or somebody who wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. They are now being exposed in the public. Could also be a group of people who are in the public eye. An Aquarius is involved here. I don't know what they have done on you. That's why they are in pain, because you are not in pain. Their attacks on you. You manage to move on. You realize that let bygones be bygones, but you are no longer entertaining them. Because they have gone too far of mocking you. And I fully understand. The truth come out here. Remember, the Ace of Swords is here. The universe advises you to protect your energy and continue your healing journey. There is a regeneration here. This is like your rebirth season. And you are divinely protected here at the end of the tunnel. As an earth angel, a choosing one, I never see all. I am reading with Scorpios on the right path. I told you, they are being exposed in the public. The truth come out. And that's why you're no longer entertaining them. You already move on. That's why they couldn't get you out of their mind. They're hunted with your memory. Their guilt eating them alive because they are now enlightened of who you are in their lives. Because for some of these people, it is your past life family, not all of them, but there is a past life family involved here. Be very strategic because they wants to talk with you. Let me see. The outcome here is the Queen of Wands again. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the past, this person painted an illusion on you. Could also be a group of people that you are a Jezebel spirit, you are a homewrecker. The nature of your job is to sleep with different men to earn money for living. That you are like this, you are like that. Now they are the one who is being exposed. I told you. This is the exposure of the real Jezebel spirits in the public. I told you. I never say that you are perfect, we are perfect. We are no longer entertaining a player. You look, this is your energy because you take good care of yourself. You take an action with your dreams. You bring it into a reality and align with your passion. You are very passionate and driven. You are magnetic, attractive. Lots of people are adoring you. But you are no longer entertaining a player. This is a player energy. This could also be a female who is the real Jezebel spirits, and they twist the story that you are the one who did this. Now they are being exposed in the public. Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. I told you. There are lots of people who are adoring and admiring you because of your confidence and independency. Not only that, you are the hot stuff of the community. You are so magnetic, attractive. And some people are admiring you, a person or group of people in the public eye, a celebrity, a singer, an artist, a model. Take what resonates. A person is in the public eye. Or these are the group of people in the public eye who painted illusion on you that you are a Jezebel spirit. Now they are being exposed worldwide. I told you. Includes a celebrity, a rock star, a singer, an artist, a model. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself whoever you are. This is the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. For some of these people, guys, they painted illusion on you because you are no longer entertaining a third party. I told you. Now they are being exposed. That we are the one who did this. Multiple partners, mistresses, because you are no longer entertaining a player. This is the outcome because they couldn't resist you. That's why they are feeling overwhelmed. They want to give you everything. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Or somebody is no longer free. You look third party. Be very careful because somebody here is already committed to somebody else. Take only what fits in your story. That's why I said listen to intuition. Okay. Clarify me, Father. Why the Four of Swords in this reading, please? This is your challenge. It is clarified as elusive. I told you, deception, dishonesty, trickery. Or they perceive you that you are not real. You are an illusion. And now they are being exposed that they are the one who is or who are painted illusion on you. You look. That's why they are feeling overwhelmed, stressed. They couldn't get you out of their mind because the Nine of Swords is here. I told you. They are still spreading lies and rumors about you that you are hiding, you are in silence because you are not real. You are an illusion. These are the same people who still trying to tarnish your reputation although you are no longer entertaining them. I told you. You are prioritizing your healing journey than to be with this person or group of people. That's why you are detached to the outside world. Because you are no longer entertaining this person or group of people. No matter what you do, they have always something to tell you. Now they are spreading lies and rumors again that you are an elusive. You are not real. You are doing this monkey business. And because of that, they are now being exposed. of who the other one who is doing this. I told you the real Jezebel spirits are now being exposed. They tarnish your reputation, they backstab you, they bad mouthing you. That's why they are in pain, because you are not in pain. They couldn't get you out of their mind. They couldn't sleep because you already moved on. Now they wants to talk with you, to offer you support, love, etc. Be very strategic, because this is not a real deal. Elusive. The other one who is an illusion. Oh my gosh, go and help yourself. An air sign is involved here. Or the power of 4. 44044 is significant in this reading. We have here soulmate. Your soulmate is involved here, who turns into karmic because of jealousy and envy. What a 10 of swords in this reading. Please tell me more about the 10 of swords, please. It is clarified as they are so better. Resentment, anger. You look at the face of this woman. Could also be a female air sign is involved here, who is better. Better as heel. Oh my gosh, however you are, sorry for you, so angry. You look, because you are not in pain. They are in pain. They are the one who created their own pain. Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. And now they are so better, because you are not in pain. You are no longer talking to them. This is over. You close the cycle. You said goodbye to all the pain. Now they are so better. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Oh my gosh. Shame on you, whoever you are. Go and heal yourself. Remember, a female air sign is significant in this reading, who is so better. Clarify me, Father. Why the 9 of swords in this reading, please? That is clarified as heart fog. I told you, he doesn't know what to do. Because this is one of the wishes on you. That you are, confused. Now they are the one who couldn't sleep, who couldn't eat. Their guilt eating them alive. Why the Knight of Cups are, please? It is clarified as fantasy, daydreaming, imagining, fantasize. That's all they can do. Oh my gosh, a Scorpio is involved. There could also be any other sign. Why the Queen of Wands are? Please tell me more about the Queen of Wands. It is clarified as influences, attachment, third parties. I told you. Because this could be an influential person. They have lots of multiple partners, mistresses, and you're no longer entertaining a player. That's why they're in pain. Why the Star in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as conflict, clashing differences, and compatibility. This person or group of people involves you to a conflict. Could also that you are dealing with a person who has a different nationality, culture, belief, religion, and tradition. And that's why it involves you to a conflict, havoc. Could also be a person who's in the public eye, or an Aquarius who engage you to conflict, who engage you to havoc, and when you react, they will say that you always misunderstood them, like my neighbor. I told you. Once, twice, and third is misunderstood, but more than 1, 2, 3 is not misunderstood. Because these are the same people who are washing their hands. They will not accept the consequences of their action. Instead, they painted you as a villain in their story. I told you. They want you to accept all what they said on you and you forgot everything. No, you are not an idiot. I told you. Could also that these are spiritual haters, or both of you having different culture, nationality, and beliefs. This could also be in the public eye, or an Aquarius. That's why they created too much conflict. You know why? What I mean? Because they don't like it that your light is shining bright. They triggered with your frequency. An Aquarius is involved. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Now he wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. Good luck. I don't know your whole story. Why the Ace of Swords? Please tell me more. It is clarified as confusion, uncertain, unclear, unsure. You look, they are confused because they want you to confuse. They are confused that you found out the truth of what they have done on you. You look, that the truth is in your favor because they are the one who painted illusion on you. They are confused that their attack didn't work. It worked only for a short period of time and you survive and you are not in pain. That's why they are confused. They are in pain because you cut them off. You are no longer entertaining them. You give them a silent treatment. All their lies about you, that you are in silence, like you're hiding because the nature of your job is a Jezebel spirit. It was a lie. It was come out, the Ace of Swords, and they are now being exposed. Who are the real Jezebel spirit? Shame on you. Why the magician here? Please tell me more. Let's clarify it as family. Somebody wants to have a family with you, or there could be a pregnancy is going to expose her. Or this person engaged to a toxic partner, and this partner said that they are pregnant in order for this partner to stay with them. I told you. Could be a Gemini or a Virgo. Could also be any other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Why the lovers here? Please tell me more about the lovers in this reading. It is clarified as I told you. They never learn a lesson. You look, this is masquerading enemy. A bluff. They pretend that they are going to support you. Gemini. I told you before I have this clarification, I said be very careful because somebody is wearing a false mask. And now I know. You look a couple, or this is your twin flame who turns into karmic and still never learn a lesson. This still wants to bluff you. Shame on you, whoever you are. This is a Gemini energy, or this is your past life family. But they never learn a lesson. That's why this pattern is repeated. Because somebody never learned a lesson, but this still wants to bluff you. Can you imagine? Go and hell yourself. How dare you? Oh my gosh. Glorify me, Father. Why the... Jesus Christ. Why the 10 of Pentacles in this reading, please? It is clarified as mistakes, misunderstood. I told you, they wants to wash their hands. Oh, Scorpio, that is only a mistake, a misunderstood. A minimum of so many years, 10 years, 4 years, 6 years, 3 years, 2 years. Can you imagine? This is not misunderstood. These are the people who will not accept the consequences of their action because, you look, they're wearing a false mask. That's all. That's why I said be very strategic. Be very strategic with the offer, love support. Somebody here wearing a false mask, I told you. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.